morning, students. Already previous class, lines and angles completed. Lines and angles completed. Now today, discuss new topic. Linear equation in two variables. New topic is linear equation in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. The father of linear equation variable is Abel. Abel. Okay, now in this topic, first of all, variable. What is a variable? A symbol having variable. What is a variable? A symbol which takes various values is known as variable. A symbol which takes various values is known as variable. A symbol which takes various values is known as a variable. Variable is like that. Example: A, B, C, D, and so on. Example: A, B, C, D, and so on, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is the variables. Okay, now a variables is a symbol which takes various values is known as a variables. This is the examples of variables. Okay, sometimes here in the mathematics, variables you can take all 99% X, Y, Z you can use. Almost all 100% you can use variable is X. Say in mathematics. Okay, now. Okay, Namma. Okay, now. Next, constant. Okay, now. Next, constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value. A symbol having fixed numerical value is known as constant. Okay, now. Okay, Namma. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is known as constant. Here numbers and numerical values means one example is, for the example, numerical values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These fixed numerical values. Okay, for a constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value is known as constant. The example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So all the numerical values take as constants. Okay, na? All the numerical values take as constants. Okay, Namma? Okay. Next one is sometimes constant take as here numerical values. What is the here sometimes? C comma K. Here C comma K literals. That means literal means variables. Okay, sometimes then C and K is also take as constants. Okay, Namma? Constant is also take as constants. Okay, now coefficients. coefficient. What is the coefficient? What is the coefficient, Amma? Okay, coefficient. What is the coefficient? In any product, each number and variable coefficient to remaining values. What, Amma? In any product, each number and variable coefficient to remaining values. Coefficient to remaining values. In any product, see, in any product, any product, each number, in any product, each number and variable in any product, each number and variable, okay na, coefficient to remaining values, coefficient to remaining values. So here, what is the coefficient? In any product, each number and variable coefficient to remaining values. Okay na? In any product, each number and variable coefficient to remaining values. For example, here you can take one example, Amma. 5x is there. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is equal to 5. Okay? Or coefficient of 5 is equal to also x. Okay? Coefficient of x is equal to 5. Coefficient of 5 is equal to x. That is the meaning. In any product and numerical number and variable coefficient to remaining values. You can take any coefficient. 5 you can take 5 coefficient means x. X coefficient means 5. Like that. Okay na? Write, copy in your classwork. Okay na this? Next one, term. Next one is term. What is the term, Amma? Okay, what is the term? The combination of the numericals and variables. The numericals and variables and both by the operation of multiplication or division is known as term. What is the term, Amma? The combination of the numbers or variables are literals, variables or both by the operation of multiplication and division is known as term. Okay, Amma? The combination of the numericals and variables are both by the operation of multiplication or division is known as term. Okay na? The combination of the numericals and variables or both by the operation of multiplication or division is known as a term. For example, see, this is the example. 5 is a term or not? 5 is a term or not? Here that is equal to 5 is equal to, you can write 1 into 5 or not? That is multiplication. Is there or not? 1 into 5 is equal to 5 or not? Okay na? 5. Next, x is another example. X is another example. Okay na? What is the value of x? X you can write 1 into x is equal to x or not? X. Next, 5xy is equal to 5 into xy, or like this, 5 into x into y, or like this, 5x into y, or can write anyone, no problem. Okay, next, or minus 7x is equal to minus 7 into x, minus 1 into 7 into x. Next, division. X by y is the division. Yes. Is the division or not? X by y is also term. Okay, negative also, positive also, can write single value. Okay, single value. Okay, that is called terms. Is the examples of term. Okay, Namma? Okay, understood? Okay, Namma? So, term, the combination of the numericals and variables. The numericals and variables. Okay, minus 7 and 7 is the numerical value, x is the variable. Combination of numericals and variables are both by the operation of multiplication. This is the multiplication, or division. This is the division. A is known as term. Okay. Okay na? What is the term? The combination of the numericals or variables. Okay, but are both by the operation of multiplication or division is known as a term. Okay na? Okay, next one. Expression. Next one is expression. 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 What is the expression? What is the expression, Amma? The combination of the terms. The combination of the terms by the operation of addition, subtraction, or both is an expression. Okay, na? The combination of the term, the combination of the term, the combination of the terms, okay, by the operations, multiplication, okay, subtraction, addition, comma, subtraction, or both. The combination of the terms by the operation of addition, comma, subtraction, or both is an expression. Okay, Namma? Expression. See, once again, I'll repeat. The combination of the terms by the operation of addition or okay, addition or subtraction or both is an expression. Okay, now for example, x plus y. For example, x plus y is an expression or not? Okay, now, and 2x minus 7y is also an expression. Okay. 5x plus 2 is also an expression. 5x plus 2 is also an expression. 7x minus y plus z is also an expression or not? An expression. So these are the examples of expression. Okay, na? X plus y. One example, 2x minus 7y, 5x plus 2, 7x minus y plus z. Here addition is the addition. Subtraction. Next, both. That means addition, subtraction, both. Okay, na? Right? Like this. This is the examples of expression. Next one is equation. Next one is equation. Okay, what is the equation? Equation is, what is the equation number? A statement of equality of two variables, two algebraic expressions involving a variables is known as equation. What is the equation number? A statement of equality, algebraic expressions involving a variables is called an equation. Okay, na? See, a statement of equality, a statement of equality of an algebraic expression, involving the variables is called an equation. A statement of equality of an algebraic expression involving the variables is called an equation. Okay, Namma? What is the equation? A statement of equality of two algebraic. Sorry, Amma. Here that is 2 and. Okay, na? 2. This is 2. Two algebraic expressions involving the variable is called an equation. A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving the variables is called an equation. For example, see, 3x plus 4 is equal to 7y minus 6. This is one example. So, the statement of equality of two algebraic expressions. This is one algebraic expression. This is also one algebraic expression. So, equality of these two algebraic expressions are not. Yes, this is the first example. Next, second example is 7x minus y is equal to 6. This is another example. See, 7x minus y is equal to 6. Okay, Rama? Next, third example, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Okay, na? 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. This is also another example. So here, first of all, this value 7x minus y plus 6, take this side is equal to, take this side means minus 6 is equal to 0 or not? Like that only. Okay, na? Can take that value constant. Okay, so these are the models of examples. Okay, Rama? Okay. Okay, na? Equation. What is the equation? A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving the variables is called an equation. These are the examples. Okay na? These are 3x plus 4 is equal to 7y minus 6. Example 7x minus y is equal to 6. An example, for example 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0 also. This is the examples of equation. I will continue next class. Okay na? Thank you students.